Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to render an animation in Blender. So I have my little splash screen here and I want to render it. So to render it as a video file, I can go ahead and select PNG and switch that to FFmpeg video. And then container, I can select MP4 or MPEG-4 just like that, and it will render it as an MP4. So you'll see it at the end of the video when my splash screen plays. That's exactly the render settings I used. And this is located in your output properties right here if you didn't know. Now the location, if you want to render it to a specific file, just select this folder right here and navigate to where you want it on your computer and render it there. Now, if you want to render it as a PNG sequence, you can render it with a PNG and it'll render it individual images. Now to render it, go up here and hit render, render animation, and it will start rendering just like this. And if you don't want to use your mouse to drag up there and hit render animation, you can just press Ctrl F12 on your keyboard and it will render that way. But yeah, that's how you render an animation. Hopefully that helped. I'll see you in the next one.